And your task is clear. It is to protect and defend the Constitution of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, and to defend the American people. And you will do that through readiness for combat. You didn't come here to play ping pong. You came here to learn how to fight, and fight you will. You are this nation's next greatest generation. You're an amazing group of people. You possess the same competence, the same compassion, and the same character as those who have gone before you in the long gray line here at West Point. Among you is a future president, senator, or members of Congress and captains of industry, entrepreneurs and scientists. But most importantly, among you are our future platoon and company and battalion, brigade, division, and corps commanders. And each of you will be taking a lifelong oath no matter what the pressure, no matter what the cost to yourself, your career, or even your life, you must never waver. Your competence, compassion, and character are going to be tested. You're going to operate in unbelievably miserable and Spartan conditions. And you're going to make decisions in incredibly morally ambiguous situations. And you're going to be fighting against a dedicated, ruthless enemy who is going to give you no quarter. But like those that came before you, you're going to prevail. And you will win.